All right, so we got a new Deuce and a half not too long ago that we haven't started in the cold yet. It's about 17 degrees Fahrenheit out this morning. Let's see how it starts. We'll do a quick walk around, start it, and then drive on the video a little later when it warms up. So this is the beast, Deuce Big and Slow. 1964 M35 that I paid 2,000 bucks for. Super duper fun to drive. It's got a plow mount. Added some lights for nighttime work. There's the big plow that goes on it. Cut some backup lights into the rear bumper. More work lights on the side. Pretty excited to plow snow with this thing this morning, or this winter. All right, let's see if she'll start up when it's this cold.